how do you think the bigger people are doing it? The people that are even bigger than the people that you think are big. He's like, well, what are you talking about? Well, let me just go ahead and type in, for example, on Google, best whole life insurance. You sell whole life policies, right? What if I just go ahead and Google best whole life insurance? Everything that you did, every single concept that you did to go ahead and make money as an insurance agent selling insurance has literally been outsourced in as little as one little Google search. If I go ahead and click on this, you can see all of these things, find the best whole life insurance, right? If I click on any one of these websites, essentially what it is these are these people that are selling the exact same insurance that wholesale life insurance agents are selling, but they don't actually have to do any of the selling. They create content in the form of, for example, exactly what people are searching for. And whenever they go to any one of these links, from State Farm to Prudential to Transamerica, it is what is known as an affiliate link, where if someone clicks on this right now, this person that went onto this, for example, website, if they go ahead and get whole life insurance, this blog, this website will go ahead and make money from it. Now, the craziest thing is more and more insurance agents are moving to this method because then they don't have to go and drive around and talk to people all the time and constantly sell. They're using an online brand and an online presence to attract prospects to them. Now, think about how much more efficient that is. Would you rather go from prospect to prospect, from failure, from rejection to rejection, which at most you can maybe get only a handful of rejections a week, and you could only talk to a handful of people? Like, even if you were at the top of your game in a given week, I don't know, if you talk to like 3 people a day and you go through the entire, spiel and the presentation, 3 people a day, 5 people a day, right? Within a week, you could only talk to maybe 20 people, 21 people, 30 people. And that's even if you have all those people that you could get and talk to. There's literally websites that literally are focused around exactly what you're doing, right? But they are reaching hundreds, if not thousands of people every single day that are already looking for whole life insurance. Now, who do you think is an easier sell? Someone that you have to convince why whole life, like a whole life policy is good, or someone that is literally Googling best whole life insurance? Probably someone that's already looking for your solution. That's the secret about sales, by the way. You don't go up to people and try selling them things that they don't know they want to buy. You want to sell people the things that they already want to buy, and you just want to position yourself in front of them, right? So that's what these blog articles are doing. A lot of these websites are literally building these brands and these things about just doing the pros and cons about multiple different insurance agencies, and then they don't have to be tied to just one specific policy, and then they can make passive income to all these different things. There's so many different businesses that are moving to this method. This guy is, for example, he used to sell insurance just like one-on-one, and he's also like a certified financial planner. And you can see that he made 151 grand in 1 month. And the craziest thing about this, if I just type in, for example, insurance, he literally sells life insurance, right? Life insurance, he got $8,000 in commissions and $9,500 in lead sales. A lot of it is because of his website. He's not going door to door. He's not annoying his friends and family. He's not, talking to 20 people a week. He's reaching thousands of people every single day, which means he's allowing himself to scale his time.